Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video, and I'll be sharing with you guys a simple Valentine's look. We're starting out with a clean face, and I am going to start by doing my eyebrows first. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and we're just going to be filling the line, like the outline of our eyebrow first, which is how I do it just because I had ombre powder brow done. I have a whole video showing you guys this process of how I do my eyebrows after having ombre powder brow done. So if you're interested, it is in my videos, but I just line the outline first and then I'll fill it in with this Jason Wu Brow Before Boys eyebrow powder, and I use the lightest shade. So after shading them in with the brow powder, I'm just going to take the spoolie and I'm just going to blend everything out a little bit better. Now going in with my MAC Prep and Prime eyeshadow base, I'm just applying this eyeshadow primer to help our look last throughout the day or night. We're going at super affordable using this LA Colors Bubble Tea eyeshadow quad. This is the strawberry one, and this has some really lovely pink shades. So I'm taking the light bubblegum pink shade and applying this all over the lid first. Now going in with this kind of mauve pink, we're actually going to be applying this to the outer V and outer edge area. This is just going to deepen up that area and give us a little bit of dimension. Now using this metallic pink, I'm just using my finger to apply this onto the lid because it works a lot better than a brush. So just taking my finger and now dipping it into the shade and then just applying this to the lid space. Don't blend it all the way out into your mauve pink, just kind of stop right there and just kind of make sure the two are blended well together. For the inner corner, I'm taking the white kind of sparkly shade with my pinky, just applying this to the tear duct area just to brighten everything up. Really like how this look is looking so far. So now I'm going to go on with my face. I'm doing my concealer, just applying that to the under eyes and any blemishes that I have. And I use the same concealer I've been using for like the last few videos. So if you guys are interested in my face products, I did actually just do a recent video where I showed you guys kind of my face routine where I do my blush and bronzer. So if you're interested in what face products I use, it's basically all of those face products. That's what I've been using lately. I'll try to leave that video linked below. For today, I'm actually using the White Tea Tinted Moisturizer from Winky Lux. Really like this one because it does give you some coverage, but it is definitely very light because it is a tinted moisturizer. I like how it moisturizes my skin and it just kind of keeps everything from looking dry, but still gives me a little bit of shade. And then now applying the banana powder from Essence under my under eye area to brighten. All right, for blush, we're going in with this Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm just picking this pink out of there and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Doing some eyeliner, and I'm going to use this Thread Winged liquid eyeliner pen. Just really basically doing the outer area, kind of a small wing. And now curling my lashes because we are going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. For today's lip look, we're going to be using this Rose Oil Lip Balm. This is from Be Pure at the Dollar Tree. It's a clear to tinted lip balm made with rose oil. So it is clear, but as you can see, it's going to go on pink, and it comes off the most lovely blush pink shade ever. And I think everyone's shade is going to be just a little bit different. So it's a really fun product to try out. And this is our finished look. I love how simple it is, how glowy and effervescent it is. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and you'll try out this affordable look for your Valentine's Day outing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.